The Mercedes-Benz 230e has always been a classic, but the 2026 model is set to redefine luxury and performance. This year, Mercedes has focused on blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology, making the 230e a standout in its segment. The exterior retains its iconic silhouette but now features sharper lines and a more aggressive grille, giving it a modern yet nostalgic appeal. LED lighting has been upgraded across the board, with adaptive headlights that adjust to driving conditions for better visibility. The 2026 model also introduces new wheel designs, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, all crafted to enhance both aesthetics and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 230e boasts a refined 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, now with mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency. This setup delivers an impressive 201 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, ensuring a smooth yet powerful drive. The hybrid system not only boosts performance but also reduces emissions, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, the 230e offers seamless gear shifts and enhanced fuel economy. Mercedes has also fine-tuned the suspension for a balance between comfort and sportiness, making it perfect for both city commutes and long highway drives. Step inside the 2026 230e, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, with optional heated, ventilated, and massaging functions for ultimate comfort. The dashboard features a sleek dual-screen setup, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 12.3-inch infotainment display running the latest MBUX system. Voice control has been improved, allowing for more natural interactions, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Ambient lighting with 64 color options sets the mood, while the Burmester sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Safety and driver assistance features have been significantly upgraded in the 2026 model. The 230e now includes standard adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. A new 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view for easier parking, while automated emergency braking and pedestrian detection add an extra layer of protection. Mercedes has also introduced a semi-autonomous driving mode, allowing the car to handle certain tasks on highways, reducing driver fatigue during long journeys. These advancements make the 230e one of the safest sedans in its class. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 230e is not just about luxury and safety, it's also packed with the latest tech. The MBUX system now supports over-the-air updates, ensuring your car always has the latest software. A new augmented reality navigation system projects directions onto the windshield, making it easier to follow routes without distraction. Wireless charging is standard, and USB-C ports are scattered throughout the cabin for convenience. For those who love connectivity, the 230e offers 5G capability, ensuring fast and reliable internet access on the go. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 230e starts at $45,000 for the base model, with higher trims and additional options pushing the price closer to $60,000. While it's not the cheapest sedan on the market, the 230e justifies its cost with unparalleled craftsmanship, advanced technology, and a driving experience that's hard to match. Mercedes is also offering exclusive launch editions with unique badging and interior finishes for early buyers. With its combination of classic charm and modern innovation, the 2026 230e is poised to be a favorite among luxury car enthusiasts. Driving the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 230e is an experience like no other. The engine's refined power, coupled with the hybrid system's efficiency, makes every journey enjoyable. The cabin's quietness and premium materials create a serene environment, while the tech features keep you connected and entertained. Whether you're a longtime Mercedes fan or new to the brand, the 230e offers something for everyone. It's a car that respects its heritage while embracing the future, making it a compelling choice in the luxury sedan market. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 230e is more than just a car, it's a statement. With its elegant design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance, it stands out as a true modern classic. If you're in the market for a sedan that offers the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, the 230e should be at the top of your list. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to hit the like button if you're excited about this iconic model's latest iteration. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 230e.